Hello friends, and it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Marvel Legends series Build-A-Figure ZABU Cable, aka Nathan Summers, Cyclops' son. It says, Cable travels back through time from a dystopian future to help the X-Men as an enhanced telekinetic mutant. And now let's unbox him. Here's Cable. He looks a little bit bigger than all the other Marvel Legends. He has the robotic arm and his face. Then he comes with two different hands. Both of them are for holding the weapon. ZABU's leg. And two futuristic laser weapons. Too bad he doesn't come with any holsters for his weapons, though, because that would be cooler to display him with the weapons instead of putting them in his hands. So he could have other hands on him. Now, his face, his eyeball is pretty weird, but other than that, it's a pretty cool, good-looking Cable face. Now, he doesn't have the shoulder bend, but he's just like any other Marvel Legends other than the shoulder bend. He has a crunch thing with his little waistbands are actually attached around it, so it moves with him. Looks like it extends and moves with him. But I rate him a 10 out of 10. 2 thumbs ups. A pretty cool Cable figure. So friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media at Funky Play Bros and Funky Play Brothers. Support our blog at Cash App with $sign Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.